Hello everybody, Sorbeaten here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video, we'll be tackling some matrices, multiple choice type questions on the matrices. So let's head straight into the first question. So this question says the determinant of the identity matrix is, so this answer is really easy. The determinant of the identity matrix is simply 1. You know, it's definitely not 0, it's definitely not undefined, it's definitely not -1. The determinant of the identity matrix is 1. We know for a 2 by 2 identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. And if you find the determinant for this, it's AD, which is 1 times 1, subtract BC, which is 0 times 0. So 1 times 1 is 1, subtract 0 will simply be 1. So the determinant of the identity matrix is 1. So the next question says we have the matrix A, 1, 3, -3, 3, 0, 5, and the matrix B, 3, 0, 2, 1, 0, 5. The matrix product AB is, so you want to multiply A by B in this case. You don't want the order, they want the actual product. So let's go. Let's put on the matrix A. So 1, 3, -3, 3, 0, 5. And the matrix B, which is 3, 0, 2, 1, 0, 5. Then we want to multiply this. So we know this is a 2 by 3 matrix, and this one here is a 3 by 2. So we know they are compatible, and the product will be a 2 by 2 matrix. So we should keep that at the back of our mind. So let's do row by column. So this will be 1 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus -3 multiplied by 0. Then I go the other column, 1 times 0 plus 3 times 1 plus -3 times 5. Then I go the other row and the first column again. This one will be 3 times 3 plus 0 times 2 plus 5 times 0. So these numbers kind of use them as a guide. They should be the same. And I do the same thing here. So it will be 3 times 0 plus 0 times 1 plus 5 times 5. And then when I work this out, I will have 1 times 3 would be 3, plus 2 times 3 would be 6. -3 times 0 would be 0, so plus 0. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 0 times 2 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, so 0 plus 0. On top here, 1 times 0 is 0, plus 3 times 1 will give me 3. And -3 times 5 would be plus -15. So we know these two will cancel out and it will turn into a -15. So 3 times 0 is 0, plus 0 times 1 is 0, plus 5 times 5 is 25. And we know 3 plus 6 plus 0 would be 9. 3 minus 15 would be -12. 9 plus 0 would be 9. 0 plus 25 would give me a 25. So we see the answer is 9, -12, 9, 25, which is A. So we had to do some work for this question. So this question says, given that A is equal to 1, 3, -3, 3, 0, 5, then 3A equals, so 3A would simply be 3 multiplied by every element in this matrix. So you can do 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 3 multiplied by -3 is -9. 3 multiplied by this 3 is 9. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So it's 3, 9, -9, 9, 0, 15. So the answer here is simply A. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video in which I tackled some concepts on the matrices, and I trust that these concepts were brought out with these multiple choice type questions. And until then, I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be looking at some more multiple choice type questions. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.